Ever wondered why some relationships seem unbreakable while others crumble like a house of cards? It all boils down to the foundations. Just like a skyscraper, a relationship needs a strong base to withstand the storms of life. That base is constructed from three core principles: trust, respect, and open communication. Imagine trust as the concrete, setting the groundwork. It's the belief that the other person will act with our best interests at heart. Without it, there's no stability, and the relationship can easily topple. Respect, on the other hand, is the steel reinforcement within the concrete. It's about valuing the other person's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. And open communication? It's the architect, the one who ensures that the structure is sound and solid. It involves expressing feelings honestly and resolving issues before they escalate. So, let's think of our relationships as buildings. We wouldn't want to live in a shaky building, would we? Remember, a winning relationship is not built in a day, it's built daily. Now that we understand the foundation, let's delve into the process of building a winning relationship. Step 1. Establish trust. Trust is the bedrock of any relationship. It's like the foundation of a house. Without it, the whole structure crumbles. Think about it, you wouldn't lend your car to a stranger, would you? That's because trust isn't there yet. Building trust takes time and consistency, so be reliable, be truthful, and show your integrity. Step 2. Foster respect. Respect is the mutual admiration and understanding that you share with your partner. It's like a two-way street. You give and you receive. Respect their boundaries, their opinions, their time, and their individuality. Step 3. Encourage open communication. Imagine playing a game without knowing the rules. Frustrating, isn't it? Communication is the rulebook of your relationship. Speak your mind, but more importantly, listen to understand. Step 4. Show appreciation. Appreciation is the magic ingredient that keeps the spark alive. It's like watering a plant. It needs consistent care to thrive. Celebrate their achievements, notice their efforts, and express your gratitude regularly. And finally, step 5. Be patient and persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning relationship. Patience allows the relationship to grow at its own pace, and persistence ensures you stick around even when the going gets tough. Keep in mind, these steps are not a one-time deal, they are a continual process. Building a winning relationship might seem challenging, but it's simpler than you think. Let's quickly recap. We began with the foundation of all relationships, which is trust, respect, and communication. Then, we delved into the step-by-step process to build a winning relationship, highlighting the significance of understanding, compromise, and shared goals. Each step is crucial and holds the power to transform your relationships. So, don't hesitate to apply these principles in your life. Remember, the secret to a winning relationship is not finding the right person, but being the right person.